Today, I'll be teaching you the 7th class of winter. The first line is 1、4、7、2、4、7、3、4、7、1、2、3、4、1、4、7、2、4、7、3、4、7. Now let's write on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? Five, six, seven, eight. The second line is 1、2、3、4、1、2、3、4、1、4、1、2、3、4 ulo chipacho. And on 1、2、3、4 ulo chipacho, you hit it on the rim and you hit it from the right side of the rim to the left side of the rim. Now let's write on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? Five, six, seven, eight. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? Five, six, seven, eight. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to learn them using the speed of 70. Ready? Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? Five, six, seven, eight. This is the end of our 7th class of winter. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.